In this video, I'm going to share my #1 way to promote myself as an artist using my Facebook page and to get people to actually be able to see my posts. Now, I know some of you might not have a Facebook page or might not be interested in using Facebook at all because you just don't like Facebook as a platform, but here's the thing. If you're an artist, you can't really, if you want to succeed anyway, you can't really be choosy about where you try to promote yourself online. I think you just have to cast as broad of net as possible and use every single social media network that's available that's free. Because I don't like paying for ads, and so for me, I can get in front of more people just by using every free way to do it. And Facebook is a great way to access a whole lot of people who have money to buy art. Having a business page is really important for your rep as a brand. As well, it gives you extra features like you can look at your stats and you can get a lot of likes on there, a lot more people to follow you on your Facebook page than are likely to follow you on your personal profile. Plus, if you have both a personal profile and a Facebook page, you have double the places to advertise to people. And when I say advertise, it doesn't mean pay for ads, because this video is not about paying for ads, and I have used Facebook ads before. I will do a video about that in the future, but I wanted to make this video first just about absolutely no cost, absolutely free, just a lot of hard work for, for the artist way to get out to people and promote yourself on Facebook. And so there are basically 2 steps to my method of really getting conversions on Facebook and actually getting people to buy my work off of there. The first step is to post often. I post multiple times a day, and here in 2021, which is when I'm making this video, I'm gonna kind of scale up my posting to see how that goes. In the past, I've posted once a day to my Facebook business page, once a day to my profile, and once a day to each story on my Facebook profile and my Facebook page. So that's 4 posts per day on there. But now I'm going to kind of scale that up and try to do 2 to 3 posts a day for this year, just to see what happens. Now, every post can't be just this like spammy, like buy my stuff post, but you can kind of insert the idea that you do have things for sale, because people know that if you're an artist, that you're selling your work, people know that you have stuff for sale. So like every day I post pictures of either something that I'm making or something that I already made, and then I'll say, hey, this is going to be for sale on my website soon, or it already is available, prints are available now, that kind of thing. But I don't include links usually. Links will make people not be able to see your posts as well. So avoid posting links in the actual body of your Facebook post, but as a comment, you can always post the link, and I can't really tell that it affects reach at all. But here is the main thing that you want to do. Every time somebody comments on your post, you always want to respond to them, whether it's just with an emoji or with it's like a thank you, if they are saying that they like your work, that kind of thing. Always respond to everyone. I tested all of this last year inadvertently because Facebook actually banned my page for no reason of my own. I can't figure out why, but for 2 months they banned me as a page from responding to comments on my page. And they said it was because I violated something on Facebook. I don't know. I post cute animal pictures all the time. I don't post anything on my Facebook page that's anywhere controversial. All in all, after getting banned from responding to comments to then getting that reactivated on my account, what I discovered is that I am getting 4 times more reach on my posts. So 4 times more people are seeing my posts who have liked my Facebook page in the past. 4 times more people when I respond to everybody who comments on my post. Now, that's a great amount of reach. I mean, normally you would have to pay to get 4 times more reach. You would have to pay like maybe $10 or $20 worth of ad spend to do that. And so, I mean, it kind of depends on how much your reach is to begin with, but maybe even $5, but you'd have to pay something for that. And so that is effort well spent, in my opinion. Plus, my customers love it. I mean, I get to talk to them, I get to interact with them, and it's fun for me too. I love getting to know my customers and figuring out what they like about my work, what they might not like about my work, that kind of thing, because it informs me about how I can proceed in my business and make artwork that people will buy, because ultimately that is my goal. I'm a commercial artist, and I find that I have more of a conversion rate with my customers. Once they're commenting on all of my posts, then I can answer questions about it or give them a direct link in the comment to the thing that they're looking for on my website. And I can answer questions about framing tips, that kind of thing, that you can't do if you're not interacting with your customers. And all of those things lead to conversions. In closing, I hope that my video has been useful to you as an artist and promoting your art business. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. And if you have any tips for promoting yourself on Facebook, I'd love to hear them, because if we can learn from each other, then we can all, pursue our art careers and fulfill our dreams and live a happier life. And I mean, that's the goal of our lives, right? All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.